In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in portrait orientation in Microsoft Word. Whether you're crafting a formal report, a personal letter, or your next novel, understanding how to adjust the orientation of your page ensures that your text flows in the way you envision it. So, let's dive in. First, you need to change the page layout in your document. This is a fundamental step that sets the foundation for how your final printed page will appear. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. The process we're about to go through is quite simple and can generally be found in all recent versions of Word, so don't worry if your setup looks a little different. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen and locate the ribbon where various tabs are displayed. Click on the Layout tab. This tab is your go-to for all things related to the structure and formatting of your pages. Now, in the Layout tab, you'll find a group labeled Page Setup. This section contains all the essential tools you need to adjust the look and feel of your document's pages. Under the Page Setup group, you'll see an option labeled Orientation. Click on Orientation, and a small drop-down menu will appear, offering you a couple of choices. Here, you have the option to select either Portrait or Landscape. To switch your document to portrait orientation, simply select Portrait from this drop-down menu. The page will automatically adjust, aligning itself in the portrait style, which is taller than it is wide, making it ideal for most text-heavy documents. Before you hit print, there's an optional but crucial consideration to bear in mind if your document includes sections with mixed orientations. Sometimes, particularly in documents that contain a variety of content, such as images, tables, or graphs, you might have different orientations within different sections of the same document. To ensure that the changes we're making apply to the section you intend, first click into the section or page that you wish to change to portrait orientation. This way, you prevent unintentional changes to other parts of your document where a landscape orientation might be necessary or desired. And there you have it. Changing your document's orientation to portrait in Microsoft Word is that simple. Remember, with orientation, your goal is often to enhance readability and ensure that your work looks professional when printed. If you have any more questions about page layout or any other Word functionality, feel free to explore more videos on our channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough makes your document preparation a little bit easier. Happy writing, and until next time.